Which of the following best explains the increase in national income that results from equal increases in government spending and taxes? So in this situation, we're told to identify the scenario that best highlights why the increase in national income results from equal increases in government spending and taxing. So, option choice A says consumers do not reduce their spending by the full amount of the tax increase. So this seems to be the correct answer because it highlights how there is an increase in national income. This is because the tax multiplier equals 1 less the government spending multiplier. So the spending multiplier minus 1. From this, we can see that the increase in government spending has a greater effect than the increase in taxes. So because of this, the national income would increase. This is highlighted by option choice A, which highlights that because of this increase in government spending equally to the increase in taxes, consumers do not reduce their spending by the full amount of the tax increase. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B. The government purchases some goods that the consumers would have purchased on their own anyway. This is incorrect because this does not explain the increase in national income, so we can eliminate option choice B. C. Consumers believe all tax cuts are transitory. This is incorrect because nothing from this situation highlights how we should be inclined to analyze the consumer beliefs. So this C is incorrect as well. D. The increase in government spending causes a decrease in investment. This is incorrect because although this is correct and it highlights the scenario of crowding out, where increasing government spending results in decreasing in investment, this does not highlight how there is an increase in national income from an equally increase in government spending and taxes. Therefore, D is incorrect. E. Consumers are aware of tax increases but not of increases in government spending. This is incorrect because, like C, we're not told exactly what the consumers are aware of or not, so it wouldn't make sense for us to assume that they're not aware of government spending. So, the correct answer is A.